So most of the time I do camera videos, but I just couldn't help it. I was like seeing this the other day. I was like, kids, they're not taking advantage of the full potential. I'm wondering if I can get this bad boy spinning like 10,000 RPMs in my hand. It's kind of like, it's like the same. It's kind of like the same thing as this. You know, this, I think this spins, yeah, 10,000, maybe 12,000 RPMs. I mean, what's the harm in trying to spin that bad boy? Now let's give it a try. All my editing done today, so blowing off a little steam in the studio today. I don't know if you can hear that. Just a little more. Okay, we're gonna try one more full speed. I'm gonna let it go this time. I'm gonna get my lens out of the way. My $1,000 lens. Okay. Okay, here we go. Full speed. Oh! Oh! Okay. This is not a reason to subscribe to my channel. It's not. There's a little damage, and I broke the thing here. So it's definitely spinning fast. Anyways, I'll you know, just because I do videos about video stuff, I'll show you my setup, how I filmed this video. Okay, see ya. So Blackmagic Ursa 4.6K, and like it's like the 4608 by 1920, so it's the wide. I don't know, I just like it. It's kind of cool. And I was actually shooting to an SD card this time in proxy, so if this video doesn't look as good, Sandwich went there, and just the Rode NTG3 hooked right up to the Ursa. And that's my filming setup. Yeah, see, it went through the paper right there. You see the damage? I had to repair my my photo studio thing. Anyways.